Are you looking for the best misting fans? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best misting fans on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. O2 Cool Deluxe Handheld Misting Fan. The O2 Cool Misting Fan offers a refreshing way to stay cool wherever you go. It sprays a fine mist of cool water, helping you beat the heat by cooling your face, neck, and shoulders. The fan is powered by a strong 1-speed motor that creates a steady breeze, making it easy to enjoy a cool airflow anytime. Since it runs on 2 AA batteries, you can use it outdoors without worrying about cords. Its compact, handheld design makes it perfect for travel, and you can even add ice to the water for an extra chill. Whether you're at the beach or a park, this fan keeps you comfortable. What we like: strong mist output, large water capacity, portable for outdoor use, battery-powered operation, quick delivery. What we don't like: bulky to carry, battery compartment may open. Number 2. iLiving 18-inch wall-mounted industrial fan. The iLiving wall-mounted fan delivers powerful airflow, making it ideal for quickly cooling large areas like garages, patios, or greenhouses. Its durable, industrial-grade build ensures it stands up to tough conditions such as humidity, dust, and outdoor weather, so you can rely on it both indoors and outside. With 3 pull chain speeds, you have easy control to adjust the cooling to your comfort level. Plus, it offers the option to add a misting kit, turning the fan into a refreshing misting system for extra relief on hot days, perfect for events or outdoor spaces. What we like: powerful airflow, weatherproof construction, sturdy and durable, flexible mounting options, adjustable speed settings. What we don't like: a bit loud, limited angle adjustment. Number 3. HOLMES 16-inch Outdoor Misting Stand Fan. The HOLMES Outdoor Misting Fan is designed to provide you with a refreshing breeze and customizable comfort during hot weather. With 3 speeds, you can adjust the airflow to your liking, reaching up to 16.5 feet per second high-speed velocity. The fan also features 3 micromist settings, which add moisture to the air without soaking surrounding surfaces. This is perfect for keeping you cool without getting everything around you wet. The motorized 80 degrees oscillation ensures wide sweeping movement, cooling larger areas effectively. Additionally, the adjustable 25 degrees head tilt and height from 37-inch to 53 allow you to direct the airflow exactly where you need it most. The HOLMES Outdoor Misting Fan is ideal for outdoor gatherings, such as backyards, patios, barbecues, and parties. It is easy to use. Simply connect it to a garden hose and plug it into a standard outlet, with no water tanks needed. The fan even comes with a GFCI plug for safe outdoor use. With a 3-year limited warranty, this fan is built to last and withstand outdoor conditions. What we like: adjustable mist settings, effective cooling in dry climates, quiet operation, easy assembly, fine mist output. What we don't like: possible water leaks, ineffective in humid conditions. Number 4. iLiving 14-inch Variable Speed Wall Fan. The iLiving 14-inch wall fan is designed to keep your space cool and comfortable. Its 14-inch curved blades are crafted to move air efficiently, ensuring better circulation wherever you place it. You can easily adjust the fan speed with a simple pull chain, giving you 3 different airflow options to suit your needs. The fan's motor is built for durability, sealed and permanently lubricated to handle wet conditions, making it perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. Additionally, the blades are made from powder-coated aluminum, which not only looks sleek but also stands up well to wear and tear. This fan is a reliable choice for patios, garages, and workshops. What we like: excellent airflow and cooling, durable construction, multiple speed settings, easy installation, quiet operation. What we don't like: instructions lack detail, mounting hardware could improve. Number 5. Koonie 10-inch Camping Misting Fan. The Koonie camping misting fan offers powerful cooling with 3 mist modes and 4 fan speeds, letting you customize your comfort whether you're camping, hiking, or relaxing outside. Its large mist range keeps you refreshed even on hot days. With an 11-liter water tank and a strong 20,000 mAh rechargeable battery, you can enjoy hours of uninterrupted cooling without worrying about running out of water or power. The fan also features adjustable oscillation and tilt, so you can direct the mist exactly where you need it, perfect for patios or outdoor adventures. Plus, you can easily control it via remote or panel, with a clear LED display showing all your settings. What we like: long battery life, powerful mist and airflow, easy to use and portable, oscillation feature, multiple misting options. What we don't like: occasional charging issues, minor durability concerns.